welcome back. In today's video, we're making a beautiful, simple triangular crochet shawl that's perfect for summer or fall. I'll walk you through it step by step, so it's easy to follow. Grab your yarn and hook, and let's get started. For this shawl, I'll be using variegated microfiber yarn and a 3mm crochet hook. First, we'll make a magic ring. Chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. Now work 2 more double crochets into the ring. Chain 2. Work 3 double crochets. Chain 2. Finally work another 3 double crochets. And that's our foundation round. Chain 1 and turn. We want to work into this chain 2 space, so we'll use slip stitches across the second and third double crochets. Then 1 more slip stitch into the chain 2 space. Now, chain 3 counts as the first double crochet. Work 2 more double crochets. Chain 2. Work 3 double crochets. Chain 5. In the next chain 2 space, work 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Chain 1 and turn. Repeat the slip stitches just like we did at the beginning of round 2 until you reach the first chain 2 space. Then work 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Chain 5. Into the 5 chain space, work 1 single crochet. Chain 5 again. Then, in the next chain 2 space, repeat 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Repeat round 3 until your shawl reaches the size you want. I'm going to add one finishing round so that all three sides of the shawl have the same look. Chain 1 and repeat the corner pattern. In the first 5 chain space, work 1 single crochet. In the next 5 chain space, work 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. In the following 5 chain space, work 1 single crochet. Then repeat the 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet pattern in the next space. Continue repeating this sequence all the way across the row. In the final space, work 1 single crochet, just like we did at the beginning. Then finish the round with a slip stitch. And that's it. Now, we have a beautiful elegant shawl that's perfect for summer or even early fall. And the pattern is super easy to memorize. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!